Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. This is a look of the creating figures today, so if you're interested in it, just keep on watching. The first product I'm going in with is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Instant Retouch Primer. For foundation, I'm going in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This is in the shade 14 Golden Toffee. To conceal, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep, as well as the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 46. Set my highlighted areas, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and this is just the mini version, that's why the container is so small. For the rest of my face, you guys already know I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder. So I'm into my brows off camera and come right back as usual. The first shade I'm going in with is Baked Clay. Blend out the top of that, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Los Angeles Party Animal palette, and I'll be using this shade. Now that we have that, I'm going in with Vibrant, and this is a red shadow from Coastal Scents as well, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Okay, so this isn't giving me the depth I need. I'm going into the Saharan 2 by Julius. I'll be taking the shade here. all these shadows so far have been from Coastal Scents. So I'm going to go in with Indigo and put that in my crease as well. For the outer V, I'm going back into the Saharan 2 palette. I'm taking the burgundy and I'm mixing a little bit of the brown. So these two shades. Before this crease is on me anymore, I'm taking Strut and Slay from the Perception palette. This is a Sheila X Color Pop, and it's this. For the inner corner, I'm taking Dreamsicle from Coastal Scents. On top of Dreamsicle, I'm going to take Unbothered, this white shade. Shade from the Party Animal palette by L'Oreal Los Angeles. All I'm doing is adding a little bit of pink. I'm adding some pink to Strut on top of Strut and Slay. So guys, I'm back. I smoked out my lower lash line, applied my lashes and so forth. I'm going to go in with some blush now, and I will be taking the pink blush from the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette by Julius. This one, and I'm putting that on my cheeks. I mean, duh, that's your blush now. right? A little bit of that, and on top of that I'm going to take my Laura Geller Baked Blush and brighten. I got this in my BoxyCharm. For glow, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. As I said, I can't really show you guys the product itself because this is broken. Don't know how, I don't know when, I don't know why, but yeah. For lips, I am going to use Colored Rain Amazing Rain, as well as my Adidas New York Liquid Lippy. I'm going to mix these two and line it with a brow lip liner. Well, this is actually a brow pencil, but they do the same thing. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. I didn't bother to put the Adidas New York, so this is just the Colored Rain with brown lip liner. I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the final look, and let me know what colors I should use, like in my next video. What colors you thinking? I'm thinking green and blue. I have ideas for those already. I'm trying to cut out of the neutral colors like the gold and the browns and stuff. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions down below in the comment section below. You know, you can leave your suggestions there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed as yet. Like, what are you waiting for? Look at my skin. Anyways, what are you guys waiting for? Just hit that red subscribe button. If it's red, that means you're not subscribed. So, and also follow me on Instagram. My handle is right there, JHEN_MUA Artistry. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll definitely catch you guys on my next one. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time